In the middle of the most violent oceans on Earth, there stands a multi-billion-dollar city made of pure steel.
It weighs 50,000 tons, yet it somehow survives the most brutal, terrifying storms nature can ever throw at it. This is the Offshore oil rig, a masterpiece of engineering designed to extract black gold from deep beneath the seabed. But how does a structure this massive stay perfectly stable when a terrifying 100-foot rogue wave violently hits its legs?
The secret isn't just in the steel you see above water. It's hidden in the anatomy, deep beneath the waves. Depending on the crushing depth, these monsters are either fixed directly to the floor or floating on massive hidden pontoons.
These colossal chains are violently anchored to the seabed with suction piles that act exactly like giant industrial vacuum plungers. Computer-controlled thrusters then constantly fight the harsh wind and brutal waves to keep the entire rig in one exact spot. If the massive rig moves even slightly too far, the 2-mile-long drill string could instantly snap like a tiny toothpick.
Once perfectly stabilized, the real mechanical violence finally begins. It is time for the rig to pierce the Earth's crust. The massive drill bit is tipped with industrial diamonds, grinding through solid granite rock at thousands of pounds of pressure. To keep the drill from completely melting, a special chemical mud is pumped down to lubricate and cool the bit.
If that terrifying pressure escapes uncontrollably, you get a catastrophic blowout, a waking nightmare that can destroy the entire rig.
To prevent this massive disaster, engineers deploy a blowout preventer, a 400-ton heavy steel fortress sitting on the ocean floor.
In an emergency, these blind shear rams can literally cut through a solid steel pipe to completely seal the well.
This mechanical vault is the absolute final line of defense between a successful drilling operation and a global environmental disaster. High on the deck, the brave crew works exhausting 12-hour shifts in one of the most dangerous jobs on Earth.
They are completely surrounded by heavy moving mechanical machinery, highly explosive toxic gases, and the dark, cold, unforgiving ocean waves.
The massive scale of this operation is genuinely hard to fully comprehend until you look at it from the air.
A single offshore rig can easily produce over 50,000 barrels of rich crude oil every single day of operation.
It is an endless 24/7 battle against highly destructive saltwater corrosion and the absolutely relentless, brutal force of Mother Nature.
These floating behemoths are not just simple oil wells. They are the most complex mobile machines ever built by humanity.
When the valuable oil finally runs completely dry, these colossal structures are often turned into beautiful, thriving artificial marine reefs.
The staggering amount of pressure, intense heat, and heavy steel required to quietly power our modern world is truly mind-blowing.
Offshore oil rigs are the heavy metal heart of the entire global energy supply chain, and they absolutely never stop pumping.
The next time you effortlessly fill up your car, remember the mighty steel island fighting the dark ocean out there.